Deploying 1Password shouldn't feel overwhelming. But if you're an IT admin managing thousands, it can quickly get tedious. That changes today. We're thrilled to introduce two game-changing features that let you roll out 1Password faster and more securely. First, customize your onboarding emails. Create trust from the start by editing subject lines, body text, and including your company's logo. Personalize the welcome message with clear instructions or context to eliminate confusion. Next, our new paginated views enhance performance. Navigate quickly through user, vault, and group management, ensuring every second counts when you're overseeing thousands. These updates make it easier for large organizations to stay efficient and focus on what matters most. Whether you're rolling out to 500 or 50,000, you deserve a solution that scales with you, providing a smooth onboarding and secure experience. Don't miss out on these enhancements. Head over to the admin console and unlock these powerful features today.